we are going to bring in the resource thing, okay, also here, because what we are going to acquire is we are going to acquire a resource, and in this resource what we need to do is rename this to service desk. Okay, so I am just renaming this to service desk, and then we are resizing it. Right here it is resized, and then with the dropper we are going to select this. But before that, what I want to say, if you could see, this is in blue color and this is in orange color. Okay, you might have noticed that the resource activity is in a different color than the other activities. That's because it's a shared asset. Okay, it's a shared asset. Shared assets do not interact with tokens the way other activities do. They can be used to build complex logic into process flows by controlling access to finite resources. So the customer service center, okay, will be with one employee, which is represented by the resource shared asset in the model. Okay, so in one sense, the customer service representative is a finite resource. When that representative is busy helping a customer, he or she cannot help other customers until the current customer's request has been completed. Okay, so that is basically going to be what we are talking about, the shared assets. Okay, so now let us start getting modified the properties of what I can say the things which we have created. Okay, now let us go in the service, what I can say the resource thing here, and we are going to confirm that the count is 1. Okay, in here. Okay, now let us go in the service of the customer arrival here, that is source of customer arrival. Here what we are going to do is we are supposed to have arrival at 0, and let us make this exponential, which is at average at every 3 seconds. Let us change that to 60. Okay, so basically we are going to have this thing done. Okay, that basically in the exponential we are basically what I can say the scale we are changing it to 60. 60 and stuff with this. Okay, so let us make this 0, 60, 0. Okay, so that is what is going to be the thing in here. Okay, so now we have changed the source, right? So now what we are going to do is similarly we are going to go below. Okay, and we are going to keep on changing what I can say the properties of other activities as well. Okay, so now here we have changed the exponential arrival for the source. Let us go to the acquire thing. Okay, in the acquire what we are going to do is this, you see, you need to click on this and then you need to click on the resource. This is for the acquire resource, get these services. Right now we need to modify the things in here. Okay, basically we are going to change what we are going to require. Okay, so basically the thing is that when we talk about acquire resource, we have acquired one quantity from that thing. Okay, and what we're going to do is you're going to use a maximum waiting time of 200. Okay, so the tokens are going to wait in here, that is the people which were waiting in our first tutorial of creating 3D model. You might be remembering that the people used to wait in a queue, and if they were waiting more than 200, they will go to the sink of unhappy customers. Similarly, we are making here a maximum waiting time of 200 seconds, and then what we are going to label stuff in here. Okay, so we are going to release the token to the destination as 2. Okay, so if the token is more than 200 seconds, it has to go to the second port, and that is our unhappy customer sink. That is what is going to be done if you're going to have this as the properties for your thing. Okay, so now let us go in. Okay, what I can say, we are going to basically kindly check this, that whether your port 2 is connected to this thing, unhappy customers, okay, because when you delete it gets changed, so you need to have that the second connector goes to unhappy. Now we're going to come to the delay, and in the delay service time, what we're going to do is here, if you could look at, we need a log normal 2 as a statistical distribution. So log normal 2 we're going to use. We are going to put in, okay, the location as 90. We are going to give a scale factor as 3.1, and we are going to give a shape as 0.5, and this I'm going to give it 0. Okay, so this you need to do. Okay, now we have set it up this, we have set it up the what I can say, the resource acquire in the release and service. You need not do anything. It is automatically by default, things are there. Sync is by default whatever it is. We just change in the acquire maximum waiting time. The source is what we have bet exponential. We're just going to save this model now. I'm just going to reset the model now and just let us run the model. Okay, so if you could see, this is what it is. So the tokens which you look into, these are the peoples coming into our service center, okay, customer service center. And the delay is the thing where that particular person is being serviced by our service executive. And if these tokens are waiting for, or if these persons are waiting for more than 200 seconds, they're going to go in unhappy customers. So fascinating it is, guys. Just look at this. Our model is ready. Process flow model is ready. So we had our tutorial 1 where we created 3D model, okay, using Flexsim 3D object entities, and this is our tutorial 3 with process flow. We are using process flow, no 3D elements, but the function is the same. We are finding out how many happy customers, how many unhappy customers, and the stuffs like that. So this is the power of process flow in the Flexsim simulation, guys. Just look at this. Let me know if you have any queries on this. Let me know in the comment section. You can reach us out from our website beawarechannel.com. You can mail us for any support required in Flexsim simulation or industrial engineering. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. This is the video tutorial on process flow modeling. We are going to understand how we are going to fetch the dashboards from these process flows. Right now we have a process flow generated, we have people's coming in, service desk, all everything is okay, but we are not able to study how many happy customers we have, how many unhappy customers we have, right? And for that we are going to learn that in the next tutorial, creating process flows charts. Okay, join us on that video, guys, and we will create together process flow charts. So that's all for today. Let us meet in another grand interesting tutorial on Flexsim simulation just on your favorite Be Aware channel. So till then, you're going to take care, keep simulating, and keep watching Be Aware channel. Bye bye.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.